swear, I hate these stickers from Home Depot. What's up, everyone? This is Jacob here at Native Sun Wood Art, and I'd like to bring you to episode 2 of my Will It Burn series on my channel. And today we're going to be working with oak. I think specifically this is red oak. I said in my last video that I wanted to do a dedicated video for oak. I've done it in a couple of my projects before. And you might have seen it on the epoxy LED end table that I did. The legs are actually made of this oak. It's a scrap piece left over from that. But I just wanted to go over it because it does have some unique properties to it. Because it's not actually hardwood, it's a semi-hardwood. So you get much deeper grains after you use Shou sugi on this type of wood. And it gives it a really nice effect. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So let's get started. Alright, so we got our oak all the way done here. And like I said, the interesting thing about oak is that it's actually a semi-hardwood. So it has a combination of hard and soft grains in the wood. And the way that they run, I've kind of done a lighter chart on here so I can demonstrate. On the side of the wood grain, you have these tight grains here. Then you have these very large, softer grains that run through it. Turn here, it's a little bit more tight. But you have, like I said, you just have that difference. There's one side that's going to be a little bit more tight together, but still have those soft grains in there that are going to char a lot faster than some of the harder grains, which is light charring. It's going to bring it out. Unlike the teak wood, which I did before, where it's all, it's all hard and it's all very tight grain structure. So it's all going to char at the same time, and you can't really do a light charring on that because it's just going to, it's just going to deform it with the fire. But that's why it's nice about, oak. If you want to do this kind of style, the pika pika Shou sugi style, you can do that and still get a nice rustic fired look. And if you want to go a little bit further, you can char it, brush it off with your brass brush, and get that effect. And you get some nice wavy effects on here too, on the side where it's the tighter hardwood grain, and then those large wavy soft grains on the side of it. And just to give you something for comparison, this is what they look like side by side. So like I said, this is the side of it, soft and like tight hardwood grain with the large wavy soft grain in it, and then turn it over, and damn stickers, and there's your tight grain. So very nice. And what I like about this technique, you're able to achieve so many different wonderful effects with just fire. Fire. This is I didn't finish this with any oil, so you can just see the natural effect after it's been charred. Let it cool down all the way. You can use water, let it spray it off with water after you've charred it. Let it cool off. Brush it, wipe it down, let it dry a little bit more and cool off. And then just wipe it down with a cloth, and you got this wonderful effect. And you can finish it with boiled linseed oil, golden teak oil, Danish oil, whatever you want. You can do polyurethane, you can do epoxy, you can do lacquer, you can do a lot of things with these. So if you guys like this video, please hit the like button down below. Be sure to subscribe for more. And I hope you enjoyed the music in this video, courtesy of Michael Allen over at Platt's Voice. If you haven't heard his stuff, please go check him out on his channel. He does some really great covers, some really amazing original pieces too. This one was one of his original pieces called Over the Edge. Great song, wonderful tune to it. And be on the lookout for my next video coming in about a week. So with that, thanks for watching and take care.